K24 Digital back with the under the carport visual, guys. Here I am unboxing or unwrapping my K24 from H Motors Online. Steve, man, great guy, sent me that. Here I am looking at the crappy interior of my EK and showing the rust in the hatch area. Right here, I ripped it all out, and I was trying to get the hatch open and realized that it was a jacked up latch, so I ended up cutting all that out. And I'm going to be using some straps to hold down the hatch from the inside. Right here, I took off the bumper support and the radiator support. So that's where I got on this part right here. And let's see, what am I doing here? Oh yeah, I'm working on that hatch area. I cut all that rusty nastiness out right there, and then I painted it after I cut it out with some POR 15, some rust preventative paint, and then I added some carbon fiber in its replacement, and that's been holding up very well till this day. And here I have some dry ice. This was an overkill. I didn't need to do this. I could have just heated it up and chiseled it out with the plastic chisel, but it did crack up most of it, and the rest I just took a plastic chisel to it. But you can see that dry ice, man, smoking away. You see it cracking apart right there. So majority of it, so it wasn't a total waste. The majority of it easily cracked out, and I had to just work the small little pieces with heat and plastic chisel. And I'm showing it right here where it's all solid. Everything holding up good. And here I am again, getting some more sound deadening out. Got the heat gun out. And see, it just easily was just coming off, man. So there I'm sitting in the back, working on the rest of it back there. It was really hot, and it was a hot day, and I was with the heat gun back there, and thankfully I had the air mover inside the car. So yeah, I think I got most of it out here. Looking good. I'm getting all the residue from the sound deadening out. I use a variety of different products, but I eventually got it all out. Yeah, this is real tedious, man, real tedious. As you can see, man, it's working, man. It's going from that golden kind of copper look of the residue to it's turning gray. I kind of see the before and after right there. I'll show them. I'm so proud of that product, you showing it. And here, getting all the HVAC stuff out. Wasn't too hard. You gotta make sure you go to the bay and detach all the parts that are attached, and all that in there will pull right out once you unbolt it. And I'm giving a tip on using a lithium grease to grease up all the old rubber and stuff on the glass so it can easily go up and down. I don't know what I'm doing right here. I'm just showing various things. I am still proud about that. Giving updates. But yeah, guys, more videos are coming. Thanks for watching.